In the beautiful ocean, Dootoo is a curious and brave little dolphin. He is always eager to explore the marine world and discover fascinating things. As Dootoo swam towards the nearby coral reef, he was captivated by the vibrant environment. The colorful fish shimmered within the lively coral clusters, making it a vivacious, oceanic paradise. "Hello there, clownfish. What are you up to?" Dootoo asked amicably. The clownfish looked somewhat despondent. "Dootoo, it's been too hot lately. My home has fallen apart." Without hesitation, Dootoo agreed to help the clownfish find a new home, embarking on an intriguing adventure. Eventually, in a spot within the coral reef, perfect for the clownfish, he found a warm and cozy abode. The clownfish was overjoyed and thanked Dootoo for his help by presenting a delicate glass jar. This jar refracted dazzling colors under the sunlight, making it particularly exquisite. After leaving the clownfish, Dootoo encountered a hermit crab deep within the coral reef. "Hello, hermit crab friend," Dootoo greeted kindly. "What are you looking for?" The hermit crab looked somewhat disheartened. "I can't find a suitable shell. Can you help me find one?" Dootoo readily agreed to this friend's request. Finding the right shell proved somewhat challenging, but Dootoo persisted. Finally, he remembered the beautiful glass jar gifted to him by the clownfish. "This jar looks special. Perhaps it could become your new home." Dootoo handed the glass jar to the hermit crab. The hermit crab exclaimed joyfully, "Wow, this jar is truly beautiful. Thank you, Dootoo friend." Dootoo continued his journey through the ocean's waves, filled with hope and curiosity, looking forward to meeting more friends in this beautiful ocean and assisting them with various challenges. When Dootoo swam into the depths of the ocean, the sunlight pierced through the clean seawater, illuminating the colorful underwater world. In this vibrant marine area, Dootoo discovered a seahorse in distress. "Oh, seahorse, you're entangled in a plastic bag." Dootoo expressed concern. Seeing the poor seahorse unable to move freely, Dootoo decided to help. Swimming around the seahorse, Dootoo contemplated how to assist and thought of the hermit crab. "I have a friend with extremely sharp pincers. I'll go find him to help you. Please, wait for me." Dootoo swam swiftly through the clear waters, navigating to find the hermit crab. Passing by schools of colorful fish and darting jellyfish, he suddenly spotted the hermit crab joyfully dancing among the corals. Approaching the hermit crab, Dootoo asked, "Hello, hermit crab. I encountered a seahorse in trouble. Could your pincers assist me?" The hermit crab cheerfully replied, "Of course, lead the way. I'll do my best to help." The hermit crab was delighted to assist Dootoo. It waved its pincers and, accompanied by Dootoo, arrived beside the seahorse. Using its pincers, the hermit crab skillfully cut the plastic bag that entrapped the seahorse. "Thank you, hermit crab. Your pincers were incredibly helpful," expressed Dootoo gratefully. After bidding farewell to the hermit crab and the seahorse, Dootoo continued his exploration in the beautiful ocean. While moving forward, he noticed an exceptionally serene area where the water plants swayed and a group of shimmering fish danced. Amidst this beautiful scenery, he noticed an injured sea turtle. The turtle had shallow scratches on its fin and a plastic straw stuck on its back. "Oh dear, you're injured," Dootoo expressed concern. "How can I help you?" The sea turtle softly responded, "Perhaps you could use your mouth to remove this straw." Carefully, Dootoo helped the sea turtle by removing the plastic straw and then used seaweed to bandage the turtle's wounds. You should feel better now. I hope the beautiful ocean won't harm you anymore, Dootoo said thankfully. Gratefully, the sea turtle responded, Thank you, lovely dolphin. Perhaps we can be friends. Dootoo joyfully blew bubbles. Of course. You're the first turtle I've met. I'm delighted to know you. A few days later, the healed sea turtle visited Dootoo's home, bringing a beautiful toy ball. Dootoo, this is my thank you gift. Thank you for helping me. I heard dolphins enjoy playing with balls. I hope you like this gift, the sea turtle kindly said. That's fantastic. Thank you, turtle. I'll cherish it, happily replied Dootoo as he accepted the toy ball. Together, they played underwater, enjoying delightful moments in the ocean's depths.